Hey everyone, welcome back to Upskill Fleet Academy. Today we are starting a super quick, easy series to help you understand AI. If you ever felt confused by all the tech buzzwords, or if you just want to know how this stuff actually works without needing to be a computer expert, you are in the right place. Over the next few minutes, we will break down the absolute basics in a way that is simple, clear, and easy to remember. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick reality check. AI is not some futuristic movie thing. It is already running your morning routine right now. But what actually is it? Think of AI like a very smart puppy. It does not actually think or feel things like you and I do. Instead, it looks at millions of past examples of things humans have done, finds the pattern, and copies them instantly. Every time Netflix suggests a show you might like, or your phone unlocks by scanning your face, that is AI in action. I am curious, what is your favorite AI feature that you use every single day? Tell me in the comment below. Next, let's talk about making your daily work much easier. If you are still spending hours doing boring research, writing from scratch, or struggling with math homework, you are working way too hard. Most students don't know these 5 AI tools even exist. So write these down. First, consensus. Unlike regular search engines, it finds real trusted science papers for your essays. Second, Goblin Dot Tools. This is a lifesaver that takes any big scary project and break it into tiny easy steps. Third, Wolfram Alpha. Perfect for showing you how to solve math problems step by step so you actually learn how to do it. Fourth, Quillbot. Great for fixing messy sentences in seconds. And fifth, Anki. AI is instantly makes flashcard out of your class notes to help you study. Make sure to save this list for your next study sessions. Now let's talk about something what confuses a lot of people, how AI actually makes art and pictures. Many people think AI just steals existing photos and glues them together like a collage. But that is not true at all. It actually starts with pure digital static like the fuzzy gray screen on an old TV. When you type in a prompt like a cat in space, the AI uses math to slowly erase that random fuzzy noise, pixel by pixel, until a sharp, clear image appears. It is literally carving a brand new picture out of empty digital static. It is pure math and it is absolutely amazing. Here is the big question. Is AI going to take your future job? Let's talk about the real truth. AI itself probably won't replace you, but another human using AI absolutely will. Think about it. This technology isn't replacing the heart and soul of a great writer, coder, or artist. What it is doing is taking away the boring, repetitive parts of their day. This lets them work 10 times faster and focus on the big ideas. The best way to protect your career right now, don't run from AI. Learn to use it. Learn how to write good prompts and use these tools to your advantage. To stay smart in an AI world, you need to separate the hype from the facts. Let's bust two common myths. First, a lot of people think AI is alive and has feelings. The fact is, it is just super fast math. It is code, not magic. Second, people assume AI knows everything and is always correct. The reality, AI makes mistake all the time. It will confidently make up fake facts, fake babblings, and fake dates if it gets confused. The lesson here is simple. Never trust AI blindly. Always treat its work as a rough first draft and double check your facts before using it. To wrap things up, remember that AI works by finding patterns. It is great for making your daily task faster, but you must always double check its work. If you want to keep learning AI basics, coding, and technology step by step, make sure to hit that subscribe button here at Upskill Fleet Academy. We share simple weekly daily guides to help you build the skills that actually matters for your career. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.